Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today topic is Top 10 Richest People in India. Before going to the video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button for latest updates. Let's go to the video. Number 10. Cyrus Poonawalla. Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla, chairman of Poonawalla Group, which includes the privately owned Serum Institute of India, India's top biotech company and the world's largest vaccine manufacturer by number of doses produced and sold globally, more than 1.3 billion doses. Serum, which Sun Adder helps him run, reported a record profit of $360 million on revenue of $695 million. Poonawalla is investing $150 million in a new factory to make a range of vaccines, including for dengue, pneumonia and diarrhea. Serum, which owns Dutch vaccine maker Bilthoven Biologicals, is eyeing expansion in Europe and is close to acquiring a vaccine producer in Prague. Poonawalla recently contributed $2.5 million for a hospital named after his late wife to treat the underprivileged. His current net worth is $8.6 billion. Number 9. Kumar Mangalam Birla. Kumar Mangalam Birla is an Indian industrialist and the chairman of the Aditya Birla Group, one of the largest conglomerate corporations in India. He is also the Chancellor of the Birla Institute of Technology and Science. Birla took over as chairman of the Aditya Birla Group in 1995 at the age of 28, following the death of his father Aditya Vikram Birla. During his tenure as chairman, the group's annual turnover has expanded from $3.33 billion in 1995 to $41 billion in 2015. In another big move, he orchestrated a merger between his telecom unit, Idea Cellular and Vodafone's Indian arm to create India's bigger telecom company. His current net worth is $8.8 billion. Number 8. Shiv Nadar. Shiv Nadar is the founder and chairman of HCL and the Shiv Nadar Foundation. HCL was founded in 1976 with an investment of Rs 1,87,000. Today, HCL Technologies, a $7.5 billion revenue company that is India's fourth largest software service provider. To offset a slowdown in its traditional IT services business, HCL has invested $780 million in an intellectual property partnership with IBM, one of India's leading philanthropists. Nadar has donated $662 million to his Shiv Nadar Foundation, which backs education-related causes, and his current net worth is $11.4 billion. Number 7. Godrej Family. The Godrej family is an Indian Parsi family that manages and largely owns the Godrej Group and conglomerate founded by Ardeshir Godrej and his brother Pirjosha Burjorji Godrej in 1897, spanning sectors as diverse as real estate, consumer products, industrial engineering, appliances, furniture, security and agricultural products. Headed by Adi Godrej alongside his brother Nadir Godrej and cousin Jamshid Godrej. The family is one of the richest in India, with an estimated net worth of $11.6 billion as of 2014. The family owns 3,500-acre estate in Vikhroli, Mumbai, which is estimated at $12 billion. On 2014, Godrej family bought the iconic bungalow of Homi J. Bhabha, Mehrangir for Rs 372 crore. And their current net worth is $12.4 billion. Number 6. Lakshmi Mittal. Lakshmi Mittal, he is the chairman and CEO of ArcelorMittal, the world's largest steel-making company. His ArcelorMittal, which had lost $7.9 billion in 2015, swung to a net profit of $1.8 billion in 2016. Its first net profit since 2011, the world's biggest steel maker also got a reprieve from import tariffs on steel imposed by the US and Europe and a one-time $832 million saving from a new labor contract signed in 2016 with its US workers. And his current net worth is $12.5 billion. Number 5. Palonji Shapoorji Mistry. Palonji is an Irish-Indian construction tycoon and chairman of Shapoorji Pallonji Group, Forbes Textiles and Eureka Forbes Limited. He is the single largest shareholder in India's largest private conglomerate Tata Group. His son Cyrus was chairman of Tata Sons from November 2011 to October 2016. The family's biggest asset is an 18.4% stake in Tata Sons, the holding outfit of the $1.3 billion revenue Tata Group, a conglomerate of more than 100 companies. And Pallonji's current net worth is $13.9 billion. Number 4. Azim Hashim Premji. Azim is informally known as the Caesar of the Indian IT industry and the chairman of Wipro Limited. Azim Premji owns 73% of Wipro and also owns a private equity fund, Premji Invest, which manages his $2 billion worth of personal portfolio. Premji's son Rishad, who heads strategy and sits on the board, also oversees Wipro's $100 million venture capital fund. His current net worth is $15 billion. Number 3. Hinduja Group. Hinduja Group is an Indian conglomerate company headquartered in London, United Kingdom. They are involved in a wide range of activities including foundries, import and export, trading, motor vehicles, banking, call centers, and healthcare. Hinduja Group owns a lot of companies. The group was started by their father Parmanand Deepchand Hinduja, who initially traded goods in the Sindh region of India, now Pakistan, then moved to Iran in 1919, where the group was headquartered until his sons moved the base to London in 1979. And Hinduja Group's current net worth is $15.2 billion. Number 2. Dilip Sanghvi. Dilip is an Indian businessman who founded Sun Pharmaceuticals with a partner Pradeep Ghosh. Dilip Sanghvi and Pradeep Ghosh started Sun Pharmaceutical Industries with capital of Rs 10,000 in 1982 at Vapi. Now the company is the world's 5th largest generics maker and India's most valuable pharma outfit with 2016 revenues of $4.1 billion. He grew Sun through a series of shrewd acquisitions, the biggest of which was the purchase of scandal-tainted rival Ranbaxy Laboratories for $4 billion in 2014. And Dilip's current net worth is $16.9 billion. Number 1. Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is an Indian business magnate who is the chairman, managing director and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited, a Fortune Global 500 company and India's second most valuable company by market value. Reliance is mainly in refining, petrochemicals and in the oil and gas sectors. He resides at the Antilia building, one of the world's most expensive private residences. Its value is close to $1 billion. His current net worth is $22.7 billion. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.